Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. I am Alvin Brown with Ignition Martial Arts, and today we will be breaking down the beginner belt traditional form, Won Hyo. Won Hyo is a form of 28 movements. It's named after the noted monk Won Hyo, who introduced Buddhism to the Xia dynasty in the year 686 AD. Now this form is normally for beginner color belts and Ignition Martial Arts. That would be orange, gold, and high gold. There are 3 kias in this form. There's one at a slap down spear hand, one at a turning side kick, and then the final one at the end. So without further ado, let's go ahead and break down the form. So from here, at the beginning, you're going to start with your traditional bow, and then from here you're going to take your right fist, bring it right there to about upper chest level, and hide it with your left knife hand. From here we're going to turn to our left and step into a back stance square block. From here we're going to do an inside knife hand followed by a pull-in step side punch. Step to the right and do the same 3 techniques: square block followed by inside knife hand followed by a horse stance side punch. From here we're going to step in. We're going to do a front leg side kick, land down into a back stance double knife hand block, and we're going to do that 3 times, those double knife hand blocks, followed by a slap down spear hand, nice strong kia. From here we're going to step 270 degrees to the left, going to the same 3 move combo: square block followed by knife hand followed by a side punch. Step to our right, same 3 movements: square block, knife hand, pull in, horse stance side punch. From here we're going to step our right leg in into a T, step out into a front stance into a scooping block followed by a front kick and a reverse punch. Then we're going to do those same 3 movements again: scooping block, inside scooping block into a front kick, reverse punch. Then we're going to do a turning side kick, then step into a double guarding block, slide double guarding block. Then from here we're going to step back to our ready position and go into our bow. And that is Won Hyo. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys on the next video.